Big wave coming now. Big wave coming now.
And
look.
He's too scared to get in.
And here comes a tsunami. I know it's coming.
Just take a few feet into it. Come on.
Yeah, right? Go out here, walk a little closer, and here comes big wave.
Just a couple more feet.
Like, look, that's a big wave right there.
Oh, come on, stop it.
Look, big wave coming, big wave. Bigger wave, look, it's coming, that big white water, see it?
Look at the big one.
I know, right, and that's coming our way. That is a big wave, and it's coming at us. It's a big wave, and it's coming at us. Do you see that big wave making white water and coming at us? Now, logic would say, turn around and walk back the other direction.
They will die down to a tiny little...
Yeah, yeah, No, wait. These are bigger waves. These are bigger waves. They're coming.
Wait.
But wait. Look.
Look, it's not bad. See?
Yeah, right. You see this? Big wave coming this way. Big wave. Big wave coming. Big wave. I'm such a wuss.
You're not gonna get hurt. See, nothing's wrong.
Oh no, just knock me down, get my iPad all wet.
Just take a few more feet in.
Yeah, a few more feet. I only got 2.
See, it's not bad.
Pants got wet. See? Look, see? Wet pants. Wet. Wet. Wet pants.
I'm glad it's not that cold.
Oh, wait. That's a bigger wave. That's a big wave, and it's coming our way. Look, that's even folding over. That big wave folding over coming our way. That's a big wave.
You'll be safe. Don't worry. Let's take another foot in.
Another foot, right?
See?
Yeah, it's too late for that. Ouch! Did you see that coming?
Okay, now we're gonna back up.
Yeah, we probably ought to back up a little on this wave here.
There. See? Not so bad.
Not so bad.
Better than snow, right?
Better than what?
Snow.
Yeah, it's definitely better than snow.
I feel tempted to go swimming.
It is kind of nice, isn't it?